You've heard me talk about the first things you should do after a car crash, but what are the second things that should happen? After you've come home from the hospital, after the phone starts ringing, after you start getting letters in the mail. Hi, I'm Frank Nunes. I'm a California personal injury trial attorney practicing in the state of California. Join me as I give you a list of what I call the second things to do after the collision. Well, if you haven't done it already, you start off by reporting the collision to your insurance company. This is key, and the sooner you're able to do it, the better, because it allows them to investigate the facts of the claim. Sometimes an insurance company may refuse to provide coverage for a claim if you do not promptly report it. Some insurance companies require that accidents be reported in a certain amount of time. The safest bet is to report it as practically possible. Again, we're talking about the things you do after you've been released from the hospital and after you're home and you're starting to put the pieces back together. And another reason to report that incident to your car insurance as quickly as possible is oftentimes your car has been impounded and it's in what's called short-term storage. Just like short-term parking at the airport, short-term storage is much more expensive than long-term storage, and most insurance companies do not want to pay for that short-term storage fees. If you let them know you've been in that collision, they can collect your vehicle and take it to their storage site where the fees are much less expensive. Finally, California law requires that anytime there's a collision involving any bodily injury, even the slightest amount, or $1,000 above in property damage, it must be reported to the DMV. Why must it be reported to the DMV? Many people are hesitant to do so. It's not so they can add points to your records. It's actually so the DMV can make sure that everybody had an active policy of automobile insurance at the time of the collision. It's known as Form SR1. In California, it's available off the internet and it's very easy to fill out. You just answer what you know. Well, that's it on today's video on the second set of things you should do after a car collision. By the way, if you found this information useful, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Why? So you can continue to get fresh new content every time we post another great educational video. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me, since I can answer those questions. I answer questions like this all the time. You can reach me at 559-436-0850. I'm Frank Nunes, and thanks for watching.